Hello friends, welcome to the Basics of Geography series. This is our IS Conclave Institute which provide you free as well as premium videos. For that, please subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can get notifications of our videos. So this is our innovative initiatives for Geography Incubation Series for Civil Services Examination, and especially for those students who lack command in their fundamentals. Okay, so I am Rohit Manan here to facilitate so that you can strengthen your basics of geography so that you can crack your UPSC exam. Now, in this session, types of igneous textures. So in this session, we will cover the types of igneous textures. We have already covered the aphanetite, okay, phaneritic, porphyritic, vesicular, and glassy texture. In this session, we will cover this pyroclastic, means fragmental texture. So this is the different types of the texture. So what are pyroclastic texture? So pyro means, if you break this term, pyro means fire and clastic means fragments. When magma is highly viscous, means if highly viscous magma, that means if magma is highly viscous, what type of eruption it will take place? There will be very volatile, highly volatile eruption. If highly volatile eruption, that means they form stratovolcano. Okay, they form a stratovolcano. So this type of eruptions are very dangerous. Okay, so very dangerous eruptions, and it took place in the Pompeii in 78 AD. So another group of igneous rock is formed from the consolidations of these. So whenever magma erupts with these gaseous bubbles, find ash and molten blobs. Okay, so when these cool and solidify and consolidate of the individual rock fragments, so these rock fragments consolidate and ejected during explosive volcanic eruptions, so they form these type of pyroclastic textures. Okay, so the ejected particles might be very fine as molten blocks, and large angular blocks form the walls of the vent during the eruption. So because pyroclastic rocks are made of the individual particles, okay, or fragment rather than the interlocking crystal, so that's how it resembles the sedimentary rock rather than associated with the igneous rock. Okay, so to understand this, you have to watch this movie, Pompeii movie. So this Pompeii movie is based on the 78 AD eruption of Mount Vesuvius in the Italy. So this Mount Vesuvius erupted during the 78 AD, and it completely engulfed the whole city of Roman Empire, Pompeii city. Okay, so whenever you will watch this movie, you will understand the significance of the pyroclastic eruption and how these are dangerous to the human settlement. So this is this type of rock fragment you will see. So whenever these rock fragments consolidate, so these form this type of rock. So you have noticed that this type of rock look like this sedimentary rock rather than the igneous rock. So this is how it engulfs. So it engulfs the whole city with the finest. So these are the finest. It can be accumulate the very molten blobs. So these are very dangerous to the city. Okay, so for the environmental purpose as well as for the human settlement. So this is how we have covered the pyroclastic means fragmental texture. So in this session, please, if अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो please share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.